So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing some new shutoff valves down here. The original were crimped on, so this is a B-type PEX in the home for the water system, hot and cold. And they had stubbed out plastic out of the wall and then crimped some angle stops on. That's fine with the exception of service. The old style was multi-turn and they were not shutting off, and they cut the plastic close to the wall, and so that makes it very difficult for repair work. So just a tip to plumbers, stop being cheap, spend the money. We like to use the copper stub outs. It's a bullet. It's about 6 inches long by 6 inches tall, and the transition of plastic happens in the wall. Now you have copper stubbed out, which you can take a compression valve off of there every day of the week, twice on Sunday. So, that's not us. We don't do new construction, and I understand people are trying to save money, but that's horrible. Anyways, so brand new hot, brand new cold. These are brass craft compression, and they're quarter turn on, quarter turn off. So these are going to work great. And we did replace the supply lines, so it's a braided stainless steel, 3/8 by 1/2 inch by 20 inch, and those are fluid master. So you're in good shape. Now the faucet we couldn't work on because the handle won't come off. It's fused on, water's been leaking quite a while, and so it's just corroded in there. We've tried banging on it, we've tried, WD-40, screwdriver, prying, and all that. So we're just going to order a new faucet, get one from Moen, have them ship it, and we'll get it installed. Outside of that, this installation is done.